Welcome to Shiny Sprouts. Hello, kids. Today we are going on a fun adventure to learn where things are. These words are called prepositions. They tell us the place of one thing compared to another. Here we go. What are prepositions? Prepositions are connecting words. Preposition of place: in, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between, near, over, into. Where is the ball hiding? The ball is under the table. In. In means something is inside something else. The ball is in the box. The cat is in the basket. The books are in the bag. On means something is on top of something. The cup is on the table. The apple is on the plate. The hat is on the boy's head. Under means something is below or beneath something. The dog is under the table. The ball is under the table. The boy is under the table. In front of means something is ahead of something else. The car is in front of the house. The girl stands in front of the mirror. Behind means something is at the back of something. The sun is behind the clouds. The girl is behind the curtain. The girl is behind the door. Next to means something is right beside something else. The cat is next to the dog. Reena is standing next to Meena. Between means in middle of two things. The ball is between the shoes. The girl is between her parents. Number 2 is in between 1 and 3. Near means something is close to another thing but not touching. The chair is near the window. There is a park near my house. The chair is near the tree. Over. Something is above or on top of something else. Something goes above or covers something. The cat jumped over the table. The bird flew over the river. The dog jumped over the box. Into. Something is going inside another thing, moving from outside to inside. The frog jumped into the pond. The boy jumped into the pool. The cat jumped into the box. Let's learn together. The books are on the table. The cat is sitting on the couch. The pencils are in the pencil stand. The toys are in the box. The cat is sitting between two boys. The boy is sleeping between two trees. The frog jumped into the pond. The cat is sitting near the table. The airplane is flying over the building. The lion is sitting under the tree. The lion is sitting in front of the cave. The cat is in the box so tight. The dog is on the chair so bright. The fish is underwater blue. The bird flies over me and you. The frog is next to a big red hat. The mouse runs through a cave so flat. The book is on the shelf so high. The bee is near the butterfly. The ball is behind the door. The shoes are by the mat on the floor. The hat is above the teddy bear. Prepositions are everywhere. Thank you. Please like and share the video. Subscribe to Shiny Sprouts channel.